Step in the name of love. Step in the name of love. What's good with y'all Wave family, man? I'm feeling good today, man. Before I start the video, I wanna let y'all know, hey, I'm happy to see y'all, man. It ain't been 2 weeks. Hold on, let me pause this. It only been about a week and a little bit of change, man. I've been getting under control with everything, the business side of 3WP on the other side, man. But enough about that. I just wanna say, one, shout out to 360 Typhoon, shout out to 720 Bat for making reviews of the 3WP Green Edition. Also, I wanna say big shout out to Poppy Blasting, man. He changing the wave game for the better, I feel. Because it's like he showed love and support to like a lot of waivers without like no ulterior motives. He just do it just because, you know what I'm saying? And I honestly feel like, y'all already know I've been doing this for a long time, since 2012. And when I entered into the wave game, as far as like on the sphere of internet type stuff, it wasn't really like that. And so for him to bring that element to the wave game, I got mad respect for Poppy Blasted. Me and PB might be working together real soon. So, you know what I'm saying? Be on the lookout for that in the near future, y'all. But besides that, y'all, we're about to get into this video where we talk about getting deeper 360 wave connections with a hard brush. Y'all ready? Boost the like button for me, Wave family. Real quick for me, boost it. Come on, boost it. Oh, no, I'm not trying to fight y'all, Wave family, man. But just boost the like button. I gotta bring that energy right now, y'all. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Blue 42, hi. Y'all didn't know I had them QB skills, huh? Y'all seen that drop back? Hold up, let me do this again. All right. Whoever catch that code, the first person to get that, get a free 3WP brush from 360waveprocess.com. You just gotta answer it, all right? That code give you 100% off, all right? But it's only can be used one time. So if you got channel notifications turned on, hey, you a real MVP and you just won it. Hey, look. Don't crash the site though, because when y'all all go so quick, y'all crash my site, all right? If you don't have channel notifications turned on and you watching this video kind of late, then I suggest, you know what I'm saying, you don't even probably have to try because the notification squad probably already used the code, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, shout out to the notification squad. But look, it's not too late, man. I'm gonna be doing more stuff like that, you know what I'm saying, my future videos. So hit that bell button and you're gonna be alerted, you know what I'm saying? If you early, you gonna get that W, you know, but you gotta be early, you know what I'm saying? Let's get this lesson popping. So look, Wave family, I'm gonna explain it to y'all real quick and brief and try to make it real simple. If you're trying to get your connections in, there's a couple factors that will affect how quickly you get them in. There's two to be exact, all right? There's a few other ones, but the two main ones are haircut frequency and haircut length. First factor, haircut frequency. I'm gonna suggest to you to double it up, all right? What's that from, Juice? Where you be like, double up, bruh. All right, I don't know, let me know if it's Juice, man. I might be wrong. But yeah, usually, and y'all know this, if you've been watching 3WP for a minute, I say no more than one haircut per month. Now, if you're trying to work on your connections, then I suggest you take that amount of time and double it up. I know you may seem like, okay, I've been putting in major brush work. I just got the 3WP Green Edition. I've been hitting them vertical brush strokes, paying major attention to my connections. And you know what? It's the 4th week and I'm seeing some progress. I'm about to get this cut. That's probably what you're gonna be thinking, bro. But look, hear me out. If you go ahead and get that cut sooner than your connections is really in there, you're gonna have a deduction in progress. All right, and you're gonna be mad. You're gonna think your barber cut your hair too low. It's gonna be some issues. Trust me, I've been through this. Wait, fam, listen to me. I'm gonna save you 2 months, all right? So look, just double that up and go 8 weeks. Or, you know what I'm saying? You could probably get away with 6, but 8 would be ideal, especially if you have real trouble trying to make that progress. I know it's kind of tough sometimes. Get you a lineup. Go ahead, get you a lineup. Don't woof it majorly. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see me woofing kind of majorly right now. I ain't woofing too much though. You feel me? See, I got the beard growing out, like out of line, the mustache. But look, I'm about to get my haircut in a few days. Besides that, get a lineup, bro. You can go 8 weeks. And within that 8-week span, double up your brush work too, all right? If you don't double up the brush work, you're not getting the best effects and it's not gonna happen as quick. You should have some progress when you cut after that 8 weeks, all right? You're gonna see some progress. Now, do it one more time, all right? After that last 8 weeks, you should have the connections in there booming. Now, look, you're gonna make progress along that way, but after that second 8 weeks, which will be 4 months from the last time you know what I'm saying, first started doing that method, you're gonna have the progress in there. Now, that may seem like a long time, but trust me, you will make progress along the way. And when you finally get that last cut 4 months later, shoot, they're gonna be in there, and it's like, there's nothing that pretty much anybody can really do unless they cut you bald headed, you know what I'm saying? Another thing I wanna let y'all know, if you are the type of waver who is at a point of their wave journey where they got the sides in and they're barely missing the connections, then I suggest you get a hold of one of the 3WP Green Edition family brushes, one of these square ones, and just simply put in some concentrated brushwork on your connections alone. This hard brush right here, this brush actually just came out on my website. This is the new wood grain 3WP brush from the 3WP Green Edition family, all right? Now, this one right here is excellent for the connections. Let me tell y'all why. Due to the fact that it's square and the bristle alignment is symmetrical both vertically and horizontally, this means that if you take this brush and do a vertical brush stroke with it, and don't mind my gray hair, man, I'm gonna get rid of this one day, man. Hey, I just got one gray, it's so annoying, oh my gosh. Oh, I just need some tweezers to pluck it. But anyways, let me finish letting y'all know, Wave family. Now, due to the fact that the bristle alignment being symmetrical, both horizontally and vertically, if you take a vertical brush stroke, it's basically the same as if you took a horizontal brush stroke with that same brush stroke angle. The reason that this is very beneficial for getting your connections is due to the fact of, one, when you turn this brush vertical, you get this large length. There's about 9 rows right here, which means that's just you putting all that work with one stroke. And that's what's going to allow your wave connections to get in there nice and quick. Let me just do a quick brush testing, man, because I'm looking at my waves and I'm feeling them real quick. Oh, look. I just had to get this quick brush session in. Line it where your missing connections are and just boom, hit it like that. Hop in the mirror, get that angle right, and just go to ham on that. We got the OG 3WPs, which was oval, and then we got the new school 3WPs, which have the square shape. If you wanna isolate your connections with your new school 3WP brush, you wanna get it right and hit it vertical. That's gonna isolate your connections. And what that's going to do when you isolate it is what it's going to do. Simply allow you to just focus on it all alone. Now, if you're trying to work on your sides and your connections at the same time, great thing. You could turn it horizontally like this, use your 3WP wave logo on your brush so that you can get your angles right? And the brilliant thing is that since it's straight bristle rows and it's curved, when you hit a brush stroke, right here on your side, it's gonna hit your whole entire side, and it's gonna also touch your connection area. So that's the great thing about it. Another factor is basically it relates to products, hair products. I get a lot of questions about hair products, like which hair products to use, which one I recommend and stuff. Well, if you're trying to make progress on the connections, I'm gonna recommend a certain type of product, all right? Now there's various types of products out there. We got our oil-based products, we got our creams, we got our butters, and then we also have pomades, but I personally don't really use pomades at all. Right here I have avocado oil, and then I have almond oil. These are just a basic essential oils, as y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? I've been using them a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Even though I'm supposed to make some 3WP hair products out of these with some other stuff. Anyways, y'all, that's neither here or there. Stay tuned for them 3WP hair products. But yeah, we got our oils, and then next on the list are creams. Now, if you listen up closely, the products that I'm mentioning, the types, they're getting thicker and thicker as I'll show them to you. So first was oils. Those were kind of liquidy, you see. Now we got our creams right here. This is a cream. Let me kind of get this to focus. I'm getting it on my hand. This is a cream. I don't want to spill it, man. But yeah, it's a cream. It's not as fluid as those oils that I just showed y'all. It's just a little bit thicker than the oil, all right? Now, that's the second type of product. I'm gonna just put this excess product on my hair. All right, now after the creams come butters. I got 2 butters right here, all right? Some of y'all who play football, I know y'all got some butter fingers. Y'all need to work on them hands, man. Cause when I throw that long ball, you gotta catch it. Oh, there go another code. You know what I'm saying? If you watch through the whole video, go ahead, man. Hey, but anyways, but that one ain't 100% off. That one, like, it's a little discount. But anyways, butters are a little bit thicker than creams. You know what I'm saying? It's not fluid at all. You see, I could do this. They ain't coming down. They do have a low melting point though. You know what I'm saying? But nevertheless, butters are a little bit thicker, and that's what I'm gonna recommend, Wave family. If you're trying to make that progress for the connections, you wanna use a butter because it's gonna give your hair some hold. Now, if you are the type of person who like pomades, you could use a pomade, bro. I personally don't use pomades because I don't like the way they affect my hair. I just feel like it's too thick and it just clumps my hair up and cause over curling and product buildup. That's me personally though. Everybody's hair isn't the same, so you know what I'm saying? If I don't like pomades, that don't mean that you can't like the way pomades affect your hair, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta just try stuff, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna recommend the butter because I feel like for me, it's not too thick and it won't cause product buildup as quick as a pomade. And that's just me, like I said. But anyways, once you put that in there and start brushing, it's gonna make your hair more slicker and easier controlled, all right? And so as you put in all that brush work, you're gonna start to see progress. Now, don't get super confused by these products because when you put them in your hair, it makes the waves that you already have look better, all right? Now, if you take those out, and when I say those, I mean if you take the product out by washing your hair, then you're gonna notice a reduction in progress because that wasn't real progress. That was just the product taking effect, doing the job that it's supposed to do and making your waves look better. And that also draws back to the point I said by increasing the haircut frequency to double up to the 8 weeks instead of 4, because that's going to allow you to combat the issue of thinking that you have this progress that isn't really there on the lowest level of your wave pattern. You feel me? So yeah, double up, bro, and use those products. Don't be ashamed. But, hey, put them products in, bro. They gonna help you out. You're probably wondering what product I have right there and where I get it from. I have a link in the description. And yeah. And I'm gonna come out with some products soon too, y'all, so don't trip. I got y'all. All natural, 100%. But yeah, that's pretty much it right there, Wave family. Those are the most essential tips to get your 360 wave connections in there. The hard brush is really gonna help you to the point of basically getting down to the lowest level of your hair when you are woofing, all right? That's another essential thing. When you woofing, you wanna make sure you use a hard brush because you wanna get down to the lowest level of your waves. All right, Wave family, if you didn't hit the like button, boost the like button for me. And I'm gonna see you on my next video. And yeah, Ocean Squad, I'm gonna be live next week or in a couple of days. Y'all been real. I'm gonna see you on my next video. Deuces.